Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to fix overheating problem on Samsung Galaxy F17 5G. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your Galaxy phone and open the Settings applications. This is your phone's main control center, where you can adjust system settings, manage apps, and customize notifications to optimize performance. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Display. Here, locate the brightness option and set it to the lowest comfortable level. Also, disable adaptive brightness. While adaptive brightness automatically adjusts brightness based on your environment, it can sometimes cause your phone to overheat by constantly changing the screen intensity. Step 3. Next, tap Motion Smoothness and select 60 Hz refresh rate. Higher refresh rates, like 90 Hz or 120 Hz, use more processing power and generate extra heat. Then, go to Screen Timeout and select a short duration, like 30 seconds, so your screen turns off quickly when not in use, reducing power consumption. Step 4. Return to the Settings menu and open Lock Screen and AOD, Always On Display. Turn off Always On Display. Keeping the screen partially active consumes battery and generates heat even when you're not using the phone. Step 5. Scroll down and open Software Update. Tap Download and Install to check for any available updates. Updating to the latest software ensures your phone has performance improvements and bug fixes, which can help prevent overheating. Step 6. Open the Apps menu. Review all installed apps and locate unused or heavy storage apps. You can clear the app data or uninstall apps you no longer use. Fewer running apps reduce CPU load and heat. Step 7. Go to Device Care, then Battery Settings. Turn off fast charging and enable power saving mode. Slower charging generates less heat and power saving reduces background activity, helping the phone stay cool. Step 8. In Device Care, tap Storage and clean up unnecessary files, duplicates, large files, and the recycle bin. Freeing up storage reduces strain on the processor. Step 9. Finally, swipe down to open the Quick Panel. Turn off Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth when not in use. If your phone is hot, pause usage and allow it to cool down before continuing. Regularly following these steps can keep your Samsung Galaxy running cooler, smoother, and more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.